Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop image rectangle shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show crop image rectangle shape. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for shape option. Now select from rectangle shape. Now draw a rectangle shape. Now going to the shape fill option. Now click for picture option. Then select from a file. Now find your picture. Now for click, then click for insert option. That's it. Now you can see crop image rectangle shape publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.